My why? It was wanting to be a good example for my son. I never lost my baby weight after having Soren, and I felt lazy, low and lethargic. Plus I was eating all the time. A friend told me she was joining WW, so I said, great, I'll come too. I discovered so many new foods. It was all going so well. Then 2 years ago, I got divorced and I started working from home. It was so lonely and my low mood made me binge on unhealthy snacks again. So I rejoined and started cooking and exercising again. I was over 16 stone. I'm now down to 11 stone, and going to my workshop has boosted my mental health too. Thanks to my newfound confidence, I started online dating and met my partner Murray. You want to be an inspiration for your children. I'm a much happier person than I ever have been, and he notices that. There's a lot of laughter in our house. Our well-being is much better these days.